Hello guys, so in this video I want to show you how you're going to change your website, change this template to your own taste. Alright, so I will show you how to change the logo, how to change the pictures, how to change the content to suit your standard. Okay, so the first thing is, let's get to changing of the logo. So how to change the logo, and then after changing the logo, then we'll move down to other sections, but let's deal with the logo first. So open your WordPress. When you open your WordPress, you come to Parity Template. You click on Parity Template. So when you click on Parity Template, this is the header layout. Look at it. This is the header layout. So we have header 1, and that header 1 is what is being set as default. This is it. This is the header 1, okay, which is what is being set as default. All right, so on the header section, we have the logo, we have this menu, we have this call to action button. So that is what we're going to deal with first. All right, so dealing with that, so you come to this the template, you go this under this header, you come to click this pencil icon here, which means edit. All right, so you click on it. When you click on it, it will open for you in a new tab. So when it's open, so it's going to use Elementor Page Builder to edit the header section. All right, because the header template was built using Elementor. All right, Elementor is a page builder, though I will still show you how to design a full website without using template, using Elementor Page Builder. You're going to build all the pages, both the home page, contact us page, and every page which you see on this website can be built from scratch using Elementor. All right, without you installing or uploading templates. Though why I love using templates, sometimes it makes my works faster. All right, because all the design has been made. All I just need to do is to edit it. And this template, after editing it, nobody will know it's a template, because you're not going to leave the same items that was there when you upload it. So now this is it now. So the first thing we need to do is to change this logo. Once you click on it, as you click on the logo itself, Elementor has one thing. Under Elementor, we have the this is the column, what's it called? This column section, yes. So inside a section, we have columns and we have modules. All right, so I will still explain that better when we want to deal with the Elementor Page Builder tutorial. All right, I was supposed to do the Elementor Page Builder tutorial before doing this particular part, but don't worry. Get how to change this set. Even from here, you can learn the Elementor before we do the full tutorial on Elementor. All right, so if you click on this now, click on this pencil icon, that means you want to change the image item. All right, because here is the module, this is the complete section. All right, look at Elementor. This is it, how to add a section on Elementor. You see, when you click on add new section, we have how many columns do you want it to be? That's the module. How many do you want it to be? Is it 3 columns, 4 columns, 2, or 2, you know, having a smaller at the right or smaller at the left, whichever one. So this one is a single column now, and under this single column you can be able to add modules to your sections. All right, and to add that, just come to this this thing here, this icon here, click on it. When you click on it, you see the modules which we have for Elementor. Okay, if you want to add headings, you want to add image, or whatsoever you want to add, every of the what's it called, you know, Elementor is a pick and drop element. All right, so you can just pick the element, drop and edit it. So it's just as simple as that. But don't worry, we're going to learn that fully. You can just pick and drop this now. You want to add a header. Okay, let me just do something simple. This is, let me say, this is a header. Okay, so this is a header. So after adding the heading to that particular section, you can add text. All right, when you add a text, you see, so you add text. Now after adding text, you can add image. All right, you add image to it. So you come click on this place, it will take you to your media library to select the image which you want to add to that particular module. So you click on this now, for example, you add it, so this is how you use Elementor. Elementor is a pick and drop page builder. All right, but let's leave this out of it. Later we'll do that tutorial fully on Elementor. So now this is built with Elementor. So here we need to change the logo. So that means you should have a logo design for your website. Either companies have their own logo. All right, so when someone gives you a website design job, he should give you their logo. That's the company logo. And if it is a new company, then he should hire a logo designer to design his logo. Then he send the logo to you, or you find a logo designer to do the logo design, and you use it just to make the work easier for you. Okay, and if you want to do it yourself, you need to learn the logo design skills. Okay, but let me just show you something simple. All right, just a shortcut to get a fast logo for, maybe you want to do a logo for yourself now. So let's check something. We are doing a donation what was it called, logo. So you search for free NGO logo, PNG. So it should be a PNG file, because PNG files has no background, so it will be easier for you to manipulate. All right, or maybe you can search for, it depends on the logo you want to create. So let's say free donation website logo, free donation website logo, PNG. So put PNG at the front of it, since it has to do with logo. Okay, then you click on images, so it will only display images for you. So it will only display images for you. So the next thing you need to do is to search for that logo that suits what you want. That particular logo that suits what you want, then you search for it. All right, so search for the logo which you think is nice. All these logos are free logo, because okay, all these logos are free, nobody is using them. So all you just need to do is, since you are not paying for the logo, just download the logo, and then I think I love this, I think I love that. So you visit the website, so you can download straight direct from the website. You see, downloading from all these websites can sometimes be complex. All right, so just scroll down to see the logo. Yes, this is the logo. You click on it. You're downloading from PNGX. Okay, that's the website I'm downloading from. So okay, this is the download. You have to know how to locate that too. So this is another wahala. I'm human. You have to do this particular. Okay, this is 7. You locate for 7, and this is Q. This is C. Where is C? This is C, and this is T. So you click according to how it's been arranged. So it has been downloaded. As you can see, this particular logo has been downloaded. So what I need to do now is to go to what's it called? I need to go to CorelDRAW. Yes, I need to go to CorelDRAW to kind of edit the logo a little. So I've opened my CorelDRAW already. So you should open CorelDRAW, then you go to your download folder to import the picture which you just downloaded. That's the logo. So this is it. Just drag and drop on. No, this is not the logo. This is not what I just downloaded. So I go back here. Okay, this is it, PNG egg. So I upload it. This is not even PNG. It comes with background, which I really don't like. Anyway, let me first of all try to do a bitmap trace and see how far. Okay, then I'll be able to get just the logo. Okay, to get just the logo for me, this one has background and you cannot even change the color. If you try to apply color now, you see you cannot apply color to that, so you just delete it. This is the one I did a bitmap trace for. So this one now I can change the color the way I want it. Alright, so let me just choose color. Anyway, if you want to do a website, you must have arranged your color palette. Alright, so now let's say this is the color I want to choose for the logo. So this is the logo now itself. All I need to do is maybe write my website name. All I need to do is write my website name. Let's say donate now. Let's say that's my website name. Donate now. Then let's say, let me look for a slogan. Help the needy. Help the needy. Let's say this is my slogan. Let me do Ctrl K to break it apart. So let me arrange. Let me look for a nice what's it called? A nice font for that text. I think this is not bad. Anyway, I'm not doing logo now. I'm not teaching you logo design. So I'm just showing you something you can just something little which you can use to design your website. Let me even remove this. Let me just leave it like that. Okay, this is the logo itself. Let me copy that logo. Let me see if I can copy this image. Let me go and copy it from the media library. So I'll be able to set, I want to set the size of my logo to be the same with this. Okay, this is it. Wow, will I be able to copy it from here now? Okay, I cannot copy it from here. Oh, let me see. Okay, to copy the logo, just go back to your WordPress and go to media. So if you want to download any image or copy any image from your website, so you go to media, that's the media library. So when you get to the media library, you search for the picture, that's the logo which you want to save. Okay, this is it now. This is it. So when you click on that, from here you can be able to copy image. So when you copy image, you can take it now to CorelDRAW. So this is the image, alright? So I want my logo design to be something as small as this. Alright? I think this color is nice. Let me copy that color. Let me copy this color. This color is nice. I think I might want to apply it to this text. Yeah, I might want to apply it here. And this also, I might want to, should I apply this color? Let me apply this color here and make this one to be black. I think that was okay. I don't like too much of color. Then let me make this like this. Then this, let me kind of spread it like this. I think it's not bad like this. Anyhow, this is, I'm not designing logo now. So it's small as this. I think this is okay. Let me make this one bold, and let me make it all capital letters. Yeah, I think it's nice. Though it's better for you to just pay a logo designer to do your logo design for you. So now let me export this. So exporting it using Control E. Yeah, I use Control E to export it. So make sure it's PNG. Okay, let me just save it in my downloads so I can be able to locate it easily. So you click on selected only. So you are exporting just this logo which you selected. So you export it. Okay, there's another name, just replace it. There's a file with that same name, so you replace it and go ahead to export it. So I've exported that, what's it called? I've exported that logo. So let me close this and go back to where I'm designing this from. So now from here now I'll be able to select, look at it, all right? So after clicking on this pencil icon, it brings you this. So you select on it, it will take you to your media library. So when you get to your media library, you know the picture has not been uploaded. So you click on upload file. When you click on upload file, click on select file, and okay, this is what I've just, it has been copied to my clipboard. But in case you don't, your own is not copied here, just click on show all files. Then you go to your downloads. So when you get to downloads, you see the particular file which you've just, so you select it, click open, or you double click on it, fine, whatever. So, you know, it's better, you see, for SEO purpose, it's better you fill this part, all right? This is Donate Now logo. That's our website name, right? Donate Now. Donate Now logo. Though I don't have time for this, but make sure you put some descriptions about maybe your website or your logo, so that when you're doing your SEO, it will really help you. So this is the logo now, but I actually need to increase the size of it. But to increase the size of it, first of all, as you can see, the column has been divided into 3. So what I need to do is I need to increase this particular column, all right, the column where the logo is. So let me click on this now, and go to, sorry, under the layouts, okay, you click on this, sorry, that is, you click on the module icon. So you increase this maybe to 20. So if you increase this to 20, it will now increase your logo size. So let me increase the logo size also from here. Increasing the logo size, sorry, yeah, let me increase the logo size by increasing the maximum width. I think it's okay like this. So what I just need to do is, normal, this one is okay here, and I think this is also okay for me, that Donate Now, because it's a donation website. So I think it's okay for me, it's not bad. That's the button. So what you just need to do is to update it. You click on update from here. So once you update this, you go ahead and refresh your website. Now you see that the logo has been changed. So you refresh your website now. So we've successfully changed the logo, all right? And even this text here, if you want to change this text up here, look at it, it's here, all right? You can change it. You understand? So changing it, this is the address. Change this address. You can change the icon. Click on it, it will take you to icon library. This is the icon library. This one is map, whatever logo you want to use, either this or this. I think that this one is nice. So you change the logo, that's the icon, sorry, and you want to change the text, you change the text. Maybe you want it to be second floor, whatever. Nigeria, we are Nigerians, we are not in the USA. So Nigeria. Then the next thing is you want to change that email. They use icon list. So the next thing is also you come and change this is the email, this is what shows, and this is the link. When you click on this now, it takes you to this particular email. All right, it takes you to your own email to send a mail to this particular email. You understand? So that is about the link. You change that also to your own email. This one too, maybe you change this link also, and whatever. So, and the social media also. For the social media, it's also use they use social icon. So you can change this Facebook icon to whatever icon you want to use. You can search for Facebook and you see all the Facebook icons available for you, and that is just it. Okay, you can also upload SVG. That is if you have the SVG for this Facebook icon, but just leave what you've selected here. So here you copy the link for your own profile. All right, you paste it in here. Same thing with Twitter. Change the icon if you want. Then you paste your profile link there. Instagram, change the icon if you want. Then you paste your profile link here also. So, and that is all. If you want to add another item, as you want to add another icon, so you add the icon. That's a WordPress icon. You select the icon you want, any social icon, and you also paste the link. As you can see, it has been added here. All right, so that is how it is. Then this one, this is the cat icon. All right, that is the cat icon. This icon here is the cat icon. You can also edit that. This is okay. You can change the color or whatsoever you want to do to that. You do it. This is another icon. That's the search box. So you can also edit the search box, and if you don't want it, all you just need to do is right click and you delete it. Anything you don't want, you right click and delete it. So this one is added through the menu. That's the navigation menu. If you come here, you see that we have menu, we have navigation menu, we have anchor menu, we have navigation menu. This navigation menu comes from a plugin. All right, so this is menu, anchor, and all that there. So this icon depends on maybe the navigation menu depends on the plugin you are using. We have different designs of navigation menu depending if you are using maybe Elementor Elements kit. That's the element kits from Elementor. Now you see a lot of other elements which will be added to your Elementor. But for me not to confuse you, just you still use this menu, this navigation menu, and that is all about this. You just go ahead and update this. All right. So after updating that, let me just change this email. Let me change it to support at my website now, which is takemedia.com.ng. So I must have created this mail. That's the email from my web mail. I must have created that already so that it will be functional. When you send email to it, it will go. So this is how to change the icon and the logo of any website. All right, or let me say of this particular template. This is how to change the logo of this particular template. So that is about this. So what you just need to do is you can just go back to, let's go back to our website now. Okay, just leave all this. Let's leave all this. Okay, let's just go back to our what's it called? Our dashboard, our WordPress dashboard, and close that. We are done with that aspect now. So as you can see, we have successfully changed the logo. We've changed the items. You can even change this color. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. That's this top color. Let me change it to probably Let me change it to black. Or maybe if your website has a better color, all right, just go and change the color. If you know the color code, it's easier for you. All right, let's assume I want to change to this particular color. Now let me copy the color so I can get the code. This particular color, this is the code. The code is FDBE44. FDBE44. All right, FDBE44. So I want to change this now. That's this section color. So when you click on the section, because this is a section, the color is being applied to the whole section. So you click on it and you go to style. When you get to style, this is the color. So just go and change the color code, because selecting the color from here will not be easy for you to get the appropriate color. And this black is not bad. The black too is not bad. Or because I love black colors though. So you come to this place. Sorry, I've forgotten the color code. That's why I'm coming back here. So this is the color code FDBE44. 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 So this is the color, but I don't think I love this color. So it's better I just go for the black. I think I prefer the black. Alright. So let's assume this particular model now, you want to change the color for that model. All you just need to do is come to the, sorry, where is it? Okay. Okay, that's the color for the icons. Why is it not selecting the model? Okay, let me just do this. Let me go to navigator, so I will be able to, I'm on the search icon now. So you click on column. So I'm on this column now, which is this particular column here. So on that column, let me just see how I can change the color. That's the background color. Alright, so this is it now. You can change the background color to whatever it is you want. Alright, so this is it. I think this is not bad. Yeah, so whatever color you want to choose, but you can use the same color which you have used in this particular place, so that you'll not be having multiple colors on your website. Alright, so but let me just leave it that way. So the next thing is for me to just update it. So after updating it, you go and refresh. Now you see that you've successfully changed the color here. So let's refresh it and see. So whatever it is you update, whatever it is you update on your Elementor will be applied here. So we have changed the header section now. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to change the pictures here. So this is the hero section, which is using a slider, and the slider used here is revolution slider. All right, so we'll go to revolution slider to edit the pictures and edit the content here. Okay, so let's go back to our admin dashboard. That is the what was it called? Let's go back to our dashboard. So you just go down. Once you go down, you see slider revolution. So this is slider revolution. You go to overview. You can view it in a new tab. Open it in a new tab. I'm done with this header. Let me close it. So I'm opening that in a new tab now. That's the revolution slider. What I want to do is to change the pictures and maybe some of the content here, so it will look different. You will never know I use the same what's it called, the same template which you use for your own website. So changing this now. So under the slider revolution, these are the templates, the sliders. So this is slide 1, slider 2, and slider 3. Right, so these are the sliders used here. This is slider 3. If you come here, you see that this is it. This is slider 3. This is slider 1, slider 2, and slider 3. So using slider revolution now, let's edit first slide now. Let's go to slider 1. I might not edit all the sliders for you, or let me see, due to I don't want the video to be too long. Alright, so this is slider 1 now. I want to edit the slider 1. Alright, so on the slider 1 we have the slide background animation. That's a slide background. Then here is the picture. Here we have the subtitle. Here we have the title, and here we have the button. These are the items or the elements we have on the slider. So the first thing is I want to change this picture, this particular picture, which is the background picture. Once you click on this background, you come to this side, you see where you're going to select the picture from. Okay, you can even decide to add maybe it's video you want as a background, is picture, or whatever you want it transparent, anyhow you want it. Alright, so that is about slider revolution. That one is another tutorial on its own also. But we are just going to learn things that has to do with this template first. Alright, so this is slider revolution. So you come to media library to select the picture which you want. You know, this is I think this is the picture. Yes, yeah, this is slide 1. Let's look at it. Let's look for the slide. Okay, I think there is this picture. Let me check. Yeah, is that the picture? Okay, this is the picture where this boy is laughing. So now for you to now get picture, let me show you where you're going to get pictures from. Alright, let's leave this first. You need to look for pictures for this particular purpose. So you can go to maybe Pixabay or Pixels to search for pictures. Pixabay.com to search for pictures, free pictures, and download. Let's say maybe donation. Let's say donation. So you search for the pictures you want and download them. Donation. You see pictures that has to do with maybe donation. All right. I won't be the one to select pictures for you, but you know this has to do with your this has to do with the concept of the web design you want to, of the website you want to design. All right. So you look for a picture that meets with that standard. Let's say displaced people. Let's say displaced people. Probably this will give us pictures related to our website. Maybe. I doubt it. Okay. Let's say maybe poverty. Or let's say poverty Africa. Yes, let's add Africa. You know. I think we're having nice pictures from here. Yes. Okay, that's nice. We can get pictures from here and download. Alright. So the picture you're going to use should match with the content. Every good act is a charity. Every good act is a charity. You know, has to do with charity. Alright, that has to do with charity. Let's say charity. Or maybe, yeah, this picture is not bad. This picture is not bad. This picture is not bad. Yes, the picture is not bad. Let me download the picture. Yes. You can click on this arrow. So you set the size you want to download. Don't download maybe the highest size, so it will not be too big. So I think this particular one is not bad. So you download the image. So it has been downloaded. So what you just need to do is take it to CorelDRAW. Alright, let me just delete this. Take the picture to CorelDRAW. this is the picture. You drag it to CorelDRAW. Okay, this is the picture. Let me come back here to my slider revolution. This is the picture I used, right? So let me go and look for the picture in my media. Alright, so I can download the picture. I want the picture I will upload to be exactly the same size with that picture. Where is the media again? So media library. Let me go to media library. So I'm getting to media library. I think this is the picture. Yeah, this is the picture. So what I need to do is let me copy the image so I can take it to CorelDRAW. Let me paste the image in CorelDRAW. So pasting the image in CorelDRAW is I want to see the size of the picture. This is the size here, which is 1658 by 710. So come here and draw a what's it called, a rectangle, and you give it that same size. This is 1658 by 710. So you come here, 1658 by what? 710. Delete this. 710. Hit enter. So if you see now, this particular column and the picture is the same thing. So what you just need to do is this particular one, power clip inside this picture, inside the column. So when you power clip, let me drag it out so that it will center it for me itself. So power clip now. Power clip. When you power clip, you can double click now to open the power clip. Then you increase the size. You can hold shift while increasing the size. So as you can see now, just click finish. It has been cropped to the same size with this. So what you just need to do is, as you can see, the picture is kind of transparent. There's a color under it which is transparent. So you can look for a color. I think black will not be bad. So as you click on this icon, so sorry, the shape, that's the rectangle, you give it color black. So when you give it color black, double click on it again. So select this and come to this transparent. So give it transparency of maybe 50% transparent. Click OK. So as you can see, it's a little bit transparent. You can, if you change the color, you see it better. You see now, applying colors. You can apply any. I think this color is not bad. What's the color of my website? I think black is okay because I used black in my website, so I can just remove the outline. So the next thing is to export using Ctrl E. So when you export it, you name it slide 1. All right. And that is about that. You have cropped that image to the size which you wanted. So all you just need to do is come back to this place, click this place, this background image icon, this place, look at it. So when you click, you come to media library. That means you want to select picture from media library. So you upload files, select files. You know, this is it, slide 1. That's one thing. It has come to my clipboard, so you select it. Once you select it, it will upload. Just wait for it to upload. Once it has been uploaded, if you want, though it's important, please always set your title, your caption and description, whatever. Always do that. It's important. So it has been uploaded now. So all you just need to do is click on insert and it will be inserted here. Yes, okay. Insert. Okay, it has been inserted. I wasn't patient enough. So the next thing is, if I want to change this content, just click on it, or maybe come and click on it from here or from here. Alright, so clicking on this now, I'll just change the content. Every good act is a charity. If you want to change it to whatever you want. I'm not going to be the one to give you the content. Then the button also, you click on the button. You can click on it from here, or you click on it from here. You change the text. Alright, so You change the text. After changing the text, all you just need to do is to click on save. That's after you have edited everything you want to edit. If you want to add maybe another layer, you want to add maybe another button, you want to add icon, you want to add anything you want to add, you can find it here.